This is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna come on camera and show y'all. I think I did pretty good. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Misha Vanique and I'm back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be showing y'all how I refresh my box braids. So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I'll be you. Okay, don't mind my edges, they're like a little jacked, but I'm about to fix that, so it's perfectly fine. And I actually already parted my hair. So my hair, it's just like the perimeters of my hair that look a mess. The inside of my hair doesn't look bad because I've been sleeping on my hair without tying it up. I've been slacking on my, but I'm about to what is this part? I don't know. I'm gonna cut that out. But I'm gonna be using this mousse. I don't know if I can see that or not. Let me see. It says smooth and shine, flaxseed oil, coconut oil, hydrating setting mousse. And I'm just gonna spray this on my hair. I'm gonna spray this on my edges like this. I'm just gonna take it, put it on my edges, and then I'm just gonna like twist it. I'll see how it's, and this is what I always do. And then like to refresh like the little frizzies, if you got any frizzies, like pieces of your hair sticking out, all you do is just take some like gel and some edge control, and you just, you know, around there. And I'm using this kind of edge control. I got both of these products from Dollar General. Together. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm looking in the mirror because I have a mirror over here. I can't really see that good in this one. But let me see. perimeter. See, I have a gel on my hands and I just put it on like the parts that needs it. What's up, y'all? I'm back because I forgot to do the outro, so I just wanted to come on camera and do the outro and show y'all what I came up with. I don't know if it's that much of a difference, but this is what my hair looks like. I don't know if I can show y'all like much of it, but I don't know what that is. Got a little bun thing going on. It's pretty cute. I like it. I don't know why, but I wear the bun a lot because I like the bun. It's just whenever it's cooperating. Good luck, no action. I think I did pretty good for my like first time refreshing my box braids myself. My cousin usually does it for me, but she is at work, so she couldn't do it. And I think it's cute. But yeah, all you do is just twist, like spray some mousse on it and twist it. Some mousse on your roots and twist the roots up, and then you just put edge control on like the little frizzies, and whichever mousse and edge control works for you, that's what you should use. If you want to use what I used, I'll put it down below in the description box, or I'll try to find a link for it. But if not, I'll just put the name in the description box. But comment down below and tell me which products y'all use to refresh your box braids, or how you refresh your box braids. If you twist it like I do, then let me know. If not, tell me what you do to refresh your box braids and what products you use. And that's all I have for this video, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.